Hello, my name is Ben. Today I want to introducing Scratch Desktop for a Scratch. First, we need to loading part 4. We need to wait. Just wait it. Okay. Now, now I'll explain about control. Hmm. Wait 1 second. It means you wait something. Wait for 1 second. You say hello for 2 seconds and wait 1 second and she will think next I will say about repeat. It means she will repeat it like say next cartoon for repeat 10 times. See? It's very fast. And it's easy. Okay? Then I will explain again about forever. It means you will break it forever. So there cannot be any bottom of it. It's wrong. She will choose next costume forever. So she also do that. But how to make it a bit small, slower? You put on the up. She wait then button to make it a little bit faster. It will be like this. It will forever. Okay. Then uh, you, if we pick this, it mean like the. It mean like if we start. Wait a minute, my dear baby. Okay. I will because there's nothing that can I explain about it about this. So I will explain about something a little bit. Okay, I'll explain about this because we need it. Okay, it's mean like if it's if it it's like when the cat is touching the mouse painter, it mean like she will move 10 step. Okay, we'll pick forever, so it will working it forever. Oh, it will can even to pick this. Okay, let's try forever. If he doesn't touching it, she will doesn't move 10 step. By touching it, she move 10 step like skate. Just when I click it, it's a move 10 step. Okay, move. But if we doesn't touch the cat, it will move. See, it will move. Okay, next. If else, that is mean like this. It's the same as else, but a little bit different about it. You see, when the first of it, there's no else. If is mean if, if it only it doesn't else like when I reckon okay when touching mouse painter if it touching the mouse painter she will go to renovation but if else she will go to 00 okay tap 0 same as this let me try to okay if it is okay let me duplicate it. Then I will use this. Okay, let's try. Okay, stop. We can she control. Okay, we listen. Okay, let's try. I'll explain it again. Forever. Like means when she when we made it, it will go to random position, and if it doesn't, she will stay in here. Okay, what should I do? Let's try it now. Tap again. Then if we but there's nothing, she'll go to X. But if we touch, she'll go everywhere. Okay, but she will go everywhere. Huh. If we touching it, but else she will stay. Huh, I mean, if going to random position, it will stay there, but she cannot go back. If else, we can else. If doesn't touch it, it will make go to 0, 0. Okay, so it's right next. Wait until then. If me like wait until, it's mean like let me see. Okay, that's okay. Because I will explain this only. Okay, wait until touch my painter. What should I pick? Change size. Okay. If it doesn't touch, let me see. Okay, it's mean like SAHE for a little bit different. She'll weight it. Okay, she'll weight up. Wrong. She will wait until it touch it, but if it touch it, but it still wait it. It's a bit same, but it doesn't mean sure everything. She will touching it and people okay. Stop. Then we will become at 0, 0 again. Next, repeat until. This means you will repeat until looks thing. Okay, let's try. Repeat until touching was painter forever, so it can be forever. Oh, it's mean like with if he doesn't click this, she will have to say. But if we hope she will say like that. Control next. Stop all is mean she will she only stop this creep. This on this stop this creep only. This on this creep. Okay. Next. Other creeping sprite is me. She will stop another creeping sprite in this. It's all. Stop all means she'll stop all. We have some more sprite than cat. Next, when I start at the clone, okay, let's try. Create a clone of myself. Delete this clone. Can you delete it? Okay, create clone is means you create a clone of himself. When I start at this clone, it means she will look, say hello. Hello, okay. Hello, hello. Okay, start as clone. This clone. That's how to collect a clone to create a clone for himself. Let's see how many clone that I've made. one was the real, you just click this. When when there is a blue square, it means there is a real one. Okay, there's many. Okay, there are six. How you delete? It means a little bit not very working. So how you bet you just tick this or click this. Okay, control. Oh, it's ready. Okay. Okay, later we will explain another one in part 4. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to click subscribe button and the bell, and don't forget to share this video to your friend or your family. Goodbye all.